Okay, masyadong maraming dumating na text messages at nagulat po ang 4-decade duo. Ayan, ang dami. Manong, pa-request man, if you're not the one, thanks po, and wait ko po kung ako. O, sige, darating dyan. Actually, hindi po namin piyesa yan. Hindi pa namin na-practice dahil pinaghahandaan po namin ang aming third album. Ayan, manarimaan apo, ti pa nagsurat ko ti sonata kan kansyon, kan panag-areglog kada kita apo nga sonsonata is mga madi kami makapractice iti kabaruhan ng kanta. Kami apo di talmag, binibigyan po namin ng diin ang mga awiting Ilocano as of this moment. And ayan, good PM Manong June, pa-request man Bintana ng Puso by Victor Wood from Engineer Ryan Manaligod. Diyos, tagyaman kayo Manong Apo. Victor Wood mo, dahil kita nga pampanahon, Bintana ng Puso. Window of Heart. Baka no exchange of heart mo dahil ito, tinagalog na lang. Anyway, here's another love song from pangalan ng lead singer ng Eagles,
Glenn Frey.
Glenn Frey.
Daydi Glenn Frey.
Daydi, kasi napanon apo, ijibangir nga lubong. Wow. She's a great little housewife, but sometimes she talks like a fool. But she helps up the store in the holiday rush, and she picks up the kids after school. And she puts down the phone when her husband comes home, and she changes from mother to wife till she feels the world's hanging between them, and she hangs by her words of life. She said, I swear I love my husband and I love my kids. I wanted to be like my mother, but if I hadn't done it as soon as I did, oh, there might have been time to be me for myself, for myself. There's so many things that she wishes. She don't even know what she's missing, and that's how she knows that she missed. She's a sweetheart except when she's moody. Oh, it's hard to get through to her then. Depressed for a while when the youngest was born. Oh, but that happens now and again. She might think of a drink with the housework, or when Michael's kept late at the shop, a martini or two before dinner. But she always knows when to stop. She said, I swear I love my husband and I love my kids. You know I wanted to be like my mother, but if I hadn't done it as soon as I did, oh, there might have been time to be me for myself, for myself. There's so many things that she wishes. She don't even know she's missing, and that's how she knows that she missed. Oh, they used to hold hands at the movies. Now it's seldom if ever they go. Once they paid for the theater and park in the car. Oh, there's no money left for the show. She was doing the dishes when the glass fell and broke on the tile. She cut her wrist quite by mistake, and she was touch and go for a while. She said, oh God, I love my husband and I love my kids. You know I wanted to be like my mother, but if I hadn't done it as soon as I did, oh, there might have been time to be me for myself, for myself. There's so many things that she wishes. She don't even know what she's missing, and that's how she knows that she missed. Okay, dagiti pa ito dumaapo nga pangablaaw. Bumasa ka man balong, kabayatan ti nagpanagbibirok ti sumarunong nga kansyunam.
Okay, DJ, pabatay po yung mga nagsusugal. Ala kayo!
Ala kayo, apo! Nagsusugal.
Na sila Jeneline, Bangayan, Neneng, Kulang, at Christina, pinakamatanda sa kanila. At pabati din po yung mga nanonood na sila Jay, Bangayan, Jonalyn, at Angie.
Ala, babae pa yung
mga nagsusugal. No.
Siyempre, babae social na kita. Medyo madyong siguro. Or agite
45.
Pachinko. Agite ngayon.
45.
Poker. Kung ano kumatagid yung kumaapo. Ay, may mga
ikaw,
special
DJ Hans, kung anong ginagawa mo dito.
Apo, medyo makapasakit tinakam. Tama no lang ang minuto sa napo 12 minutes lagi na before we finally say goodbye. Kat ana, agpakadatan, takantahan natin mo din nga sonatan.
Ana?
Ay, apo, Diyos ko, kita man dapat ita ka de. Anyway, nadano man ang apo, ti panagsisina ka aruba, kat sabi ko mataore, pagbatit ka nakaitid kami, iti basi nga, iti panagisam yo, nakapaisim na kayo, napabalsit na kayo, kat iti manong nga dyan serialas.
Kaya ka kanyo nga dyan, Mark Pastor.
Apo, nagbay ka nga sumong bata pa niya tapakabisbis na mitaya.
Dati naramid ko dito eh. Ika-commenan.
Well, kahit ko namin apo, agis iso ka, tapos pumudaw ka. Kat ada kami naman apo next week, itimot lang apo 97.7 Sweet Radio,
Santiago City.
Well, kat awan pa di maudi nga sunata, tagor ka tagpili tapay, agor ka. Pili. Ata. Ngarud, as we say goodbye, God bless everyone. Our last
We've only just begun.
Yes, sa mga bagong kasal po yan. Why do birds suddenly appear every time you are near?
Just like me, they long to be close to you.
Apo dagiti kami apo nabasa nga pangablaw yung dito text, official text line tayo. Dispensary nyo kakabsat kat next week siguro mabasa men. Sapsapaan nyo text. We've only just begun to live white lays and promises, a kiss for luck and we're on the way.
We've only begun
Before the rising sun, we fly. We started walking and learned to run, and yes, we've just begun.
sharing horizons that are new to us, watching the signs along the way. Talking it over, just the two of us, working together today, together.
And when the evening comes, we smile. So much of life ahead. We'll find a place where there's room to grow. And yes, we've just begun.
Sharing horizons that are new to us, watching the signs along the way. Talking it over, just the two of us, working together day to day, together.
And when the evening comes, we smile. So much of life ahead. We'll find a place where there's room to grow. And yes, we've just begun. Itang na po, tinisal sa lumin ng edisyon. Adda kami man, nandito lang nga po 97.7 Sweet Radio. Adda kami tumanin next week. At once again, dito man yung Jun Serialis with John Magpapasaying goodbye and God bless everyone.